Hi Western, my name is Stephanie Gordillo Rivas, and today I will be making empanadas de plátano from El Salvador. So we always make this dish at home near the holidays. It's quick and easy and it's really sweet. So what you'll need is just some plantains, plátanos, sugar, oil, cinnamon sticks, vanilla bean extract, cornstarch, and some milk. So the first step is boiling the plátanos. So what you want to do is you want to take off these two tips on the end because they're usually really bitter, and then you just kind of cut them up, put them in boiling water, and you wait until the skin has expanded and they're kind of like breaking apart. After that, you just want to take them off, strain it, all that fun stuff, and let them cool down so then you can mash it. While that's boiling, you can make the milk custard, and it's also pretty simple. You get the milk, you put some sugar, you let it cook for a little bit, and then once it's starting to thicken, you put in a little bit of vanilla extract and cornstarch so it can thicken up a little bit more. And then once that's done, you can just set that aside, let that cool, because at the end you want to primarily work with your hands. So once everything's cooled down, you can get the mashed up plátano, kind of roll it, kind of smush it a little bit, and then you can start putting the milk custard in, fold it up, and then at the end, you just fry them in a pan. So after that, you just take them off the oil, you put them in a little bit of sugar, roll it around, and then they're ready to eat.